Hi, I'm Steve Rakers with Eurotherm by Schneider Electric. We're here at the AHR Expo, the premier event for the air conditioning, heating, refrigeration industry. We have two new products that we're showcasing this year, both fitted with BACnet communications for easy integration into building automation systems. Our product is a universal engineered panel where our customers typically like to use our control product but have difficulty in getting it built into a cabinet and sized and spec'd. So what we're offering now is the panel with two alarm lights to the front, an on-off switch. Inside, professionally laid out terminal blocks for every function in the controller is brought down for field wiring. We also offer a 24-volt power supply for powering transmitter devices. The panel is NEMA 4, is available from stock in our plant in Virginia. For those that require more functionality, we offer the same panel with our nanodac controller. The nanodac can have up to 8 high-level inputs in it. The same layout from the front panel, complete with BACnet IP communications. The same simplicity of bringing your field wiring in, just drill the holes to the panel, bring in the power, bring in your field inputs, turn the panel on, and you're set to go. Universal panels that can be used in any application.